Hello. This week in my, well, first, let me apologize for any coughing fits. I have bronchitis, so hopefully I'll be able to get through this without coughing. So I'll try to do it fairly quickly, but I will apologize in advance for that. I thought I was getting better, but apparently, nope. How you do that where you feel better and then, well, maybe I just wasn't feeling as good as I thought and overdid it a bit. But alright, so this week I am using the Moose Kit by RighteousZombie Plans. And it came with this die cut. And then this weekend sticker. This moose sticker. And it is a mini kit. So it's got the banners and all this, some washies, the little headers. And then it's got the full boxes and some other washi strips. So we'll use that. From J&J Sticker Co. I'm going to use the script stickers. I really like these. From 3 Tiny Bows. I thought these red stickers, because it is getting warmer here, but I thought they went nicely with this kit. So I'm going to use these deco stickers from 3 Tiny Bows. And this YouTube sticker from BriannaNicoleDesignz. I do PR for these shops. All the codes and everything will be listed below. And that way they're easy to find. I'm using this clip, coffee clip, from the Felty Depot. And this housetop, the little house clip, I know it's Santa Claus. You can see the little tracks. I won from Scrappy Doo Designs, but I just thought the little house kind of went with the moose kit, and we'll just pretend that you can't see Santa going down the roof. But it's getting warmer here, so I wanted to make sure I used it. I have already added my dates and did my little tracker. So we will get started. So I do like these washies. I wanted to put these across the top. It'll be a little longer than my page, but that's okay. We'll just trim them to fit. Because I like the blue pattern. Oh, these stickers are thicker, so I'll have to use scissors. So there is one. And then I'll do this one this way. And everything looks a little off to me. I've got my glasses on instead of my contacts, and it makes everything look smaller. I hate when I have to change my contacts. And I do like this blue, so I'm going to put it right here. That's a little bit of extra just to add a little bit more color. So put it like that. And then I wanted to use, there's 5 of these small ones and these taller ones. Because the taller ones are a little long, I'm going to make them match that just by taking a knife and an X-Acto blade and just going across it a couple times just to cut them in half. And that way they'll be shorter and match up. Alright. Ominous Moose Kit, that's the name of it. So I'm going to kind of alternate between the little moosey eyes and the to-do headers. And I'm just putting them right under the dates. And I guess I'll make sure that I am up here. And then I'm going to do the same with the little moose banners. See how it works out? They fit just fine. So I like that very well. That's the good thing about stickers, is you can cut them to fit however you need them to. getting that one on there just a little bit crooked. Because this moose, he's watching you. And on this side, I wanted to start with the red banners first. That's because I wanted to change it up a little bit. Right there. I use this nice bright, wow, that's like super crooked. Goes right up though. This nice bright red box here from my Instagram. Use the neutral one for the YouTube. And I don't think I have an IG one this week. I should have grabbed one from another kit, but for now, well, if I can find a black pen, we'll just write IG in here. Alright. So I do have these little washi borders too. I like them. Just kind of center it. Put the nice red box here. And we'll use a little moose box right here. And I'm going to put this one taller up top because this is my weekend, so I wanted to use this weekend sticker here. Actually, I'm going to put the color with it. And then I'll put the weekend red on top of it. Because I like this green color. And I want my weekend sticker to go sideways. Because I don't want to take a chance of cutting it off with all the detail that it's got on it. I like shaped stickers. And that way I don't cover up the moose on top either. So there's my weekend marked with my moose. And I did want to stick, because I do a lot of stuff on Sunday. Won't leave me much room to write. But I want to put this moose on here anyway. But I think what I'll do is I'll just drop him down a little bit. So I've got room to write. Because I don't need much. And then we'll just trim him up. And I just use scissors. I just wanted to pull it off the edge of my table though. And see, he still looks awesome. You can still see his cup. And then we'll add this mousse right up here. And so I'll add my planner and a pen. Use the alarm clock for Monday because you go back to work on Mondays. And then we've got another planner. We'll put it right here. Kind of have the pen up at the top. These red toboggans in, because if you went out you would need a toboggan. And the other coffee pot right here. There is that. These arrows. To remind myself I've got stuff to do. Alrighty. And I have made it through without coughing my head off. I feel like I've achieved something. We'll see if I make it through the second one. Alright. And then on Sundays is the day I tend to do my filming. And Mondays is my edit. And my upload days. Because I try to post my plan with me's on Mondays and Tuesdays. So I got those in. And I don't know, I'll have to use these stickers again when I get to the, I went to my meetup, so I'll have to do that video. But I think this is my layout for the week, and I'm going to use this little moose kind of like a page marker. So I'll put him in here. But this is the Ominous Moose Kit by RighteousZombie Plans. And again, all the PR links and everything will be down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.